Hi friends, hi horses. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020, and today we are going to conduct a science experiment. We are going to do what? Do you remember?
Sink or float.
Sink or float. So there's a few things that you're going to need to get started, and if mom and dad are around to help you, that would be fantastic. And if not, that's okay. You can do it by yourself, or you can just watch Violet and I. So if you have a bowl at home that you can see through, so I can still see you, go get it. You're gonna pick 5 toys that are allowed to get wet. And then
Bath toys are allowed to get wet.
yes, bath toys are allowed to get wet. Maybe that's one of the things we can go find in a minute. And if mommy and daddy are around, maybe they can help you make a chart. So that way when we put the items in the water, we'll be able to tell if they sink or float later. Okay? So go ahead and find 5 toys that you are allowed to put in water and then come right back to us, okay? Hi guys, welcome back. So Violet and I went and searched around the house for 5 toys, and we're gonna write those toys down on our list, and I'm gonna show you them as we write them, okay? So the first toy that we found is a plastic ball from our ball pit. So while I show you them, Violet, do you think that this ball is gonna sink or float?
I think it's gonna float.
You think it's gonna float? Do you know what it means to float?
Yeah.
What?
What?
What does it mean to float?
I don't know. Tell me.
Well, if something floats, where is it? Is it at the bottom or on the top?
On the top.
On the top if it floats. So if it sinks, then it's on the
Top.
bottom.
Bottom.
Good try. We found an aerial bath toy, a squeeze cap. What's this, Vi?
A block.
A wooden block. And what's this?
A cup.
What kind of cup?
A plastic.
A plastic cup of juice from like our toy kitchens. Okay, so I wrote all of our toys on our list, okay? So once we put them in the water, if they sink or they float, we can either color in the box, or you could practice writing your letters. You could practice writing an X, which would a line would slide down, and then you go to the other corner and line slides down. I'll show you how to do that when we mark our paper, okay? So now we're gonna take our bucket, and I'm gonna go fill it with some water. We'll be right back. All right, so the first item that we're going to test is our plastic ball. So Violet's gonna put it in the bucket. Violet, put it in the bucket. What happened to the ball? What's it doing?
If you move it, it might float.
It floats because it's on top of the water, right? It's not all the way down underneath. It's on top.
I mean, if you know that.
So that means that the plastic ball does what?
Float.
It floats. So we need to mark our chart. Can you dry that off, please? We're gonna mark our chart in the blue one that says float, and I'm gonna draw an X so you guys can see it, okay? So an X line slides down. You go to the other corner, line slides down. So the plastic ball floats. Next, we're gonna do the aerial toy. Violet, can you get your aerial toy?
I sure can. I know I need to stand up to get it.
Okay, just be careful, please. Thank you, good girl. Put it down.
Wow, it's sinking.
You think?
Yeah. And you put it in the water.
Look over. And see what she does. What is she doing?
Floating when I move her.
She floats too, right? So now this time I'm just gonna color in the box while Violet dries off that toy on the towel that we have next to us. So the aerial toy, she also floats because she stayed above the water.
And she also stays down the water.
If you push her down, she'll stay down. But if you let go, she pops back up to the top. So that aerial toy floats. Now we're gonna do the squeeze cap. Can you get the green squeeze cap?
It belongs to squeeze.
Yes.
Wow, it can flow.
All right, let go. Let's see what it does.
Whoa, wait.
All right, let go. Let's see what it does. Let's show everyone what it does. Take your hand out for a minute. It looks like the squeeze cap also floats. Okay, so I'm gonna draw an X again. Can you dry that off while mommy draws an X? Okay, so we have an X for squeeze cap. Next, we're gonna do our wooden block. Can you get the wooden block, Violet?
I sure can. Oh,
Let go of it. Let's see what happens. What's it doing?
no, it's at the top.
It's at the top, so that floats too. It looks like everything we picked so far floats. So this time I'm gonna color in my box. Okay, we have one more, which is our cup of juice. So can you dry that one off on the towel too, sweetie?
Sure.
Thank you. And can you get the cup of juice? Let's show everyone what happens with that. Oh my goodness, what is this one doing too?
It's floating.
What? It looks like all of the things that we picked today float. We didn't pick one thing that sinks to the bottom. But you know what? That's okay. Maybe if you guys do this at home, a great place that you could also do this is in the bathtub. If you get to take baths at home, you could ask mom and dad if you could take some toys in the bath and see if they sink or float in the bathtub.
Oh, yeah,
Okay?
that's cool.
I can't wait to see you guys soon, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.